Good afternoon and early evening, everyone. Here's a 1 minute weather update. We are still looking at heavy rain potential, still looking at slight severe weather potential across the area. Here's the radar loop. All the flash flood warnings of the morning have been allowed to, and that's good news. The bad news is that they will likely be reissued in some way, shape, or form by later on tonight. We have mostly innocent showers forming in a rather stable area of southwest Missouri right now. It's not to say that can't be pretty good rain with time. We have one cell in central Boone County that just popped up here, and I'm recording this about 4:25. Severe thunderstorm warning that includes the city of Harrison. Again, keep the timestamp in mind when looking at this in the future hours here early this evening. And as has been the case the last couple of nights, actually for almost the last 7 nights, watching this area out here for further development of rain that will move in. If there's a severe weather side to this development, it will be on the southern end. So that severe weather scenario would most likely unfold, let's say, south of this blue line, and then overlapping on that and up into parts of Missouri and most of northwest Arkansas would be the heavy rain area. So that's usually how that separates out, and I think that'll be the case tonight once things get going. Once again, the 3-day projection of rainfall has the bullseye over the Ozarks. 2 to 3 inch totals on average everywhere in the Ozarks, with more in many cases double that in very localized areas like we had this morning in McDonald, Berry County, Taney County. It shifted there, of course, from the areas it had been northeast of Springfield the 2 nights before. A 2% tornado risk is still up by the Storm Prediction Center for southwest Missouri and northwest and north central Arkansas, along with a slight risk for severe weather. We're going to keep an eye on how unstable the air mass gets here this evening, and I'll be keeping a careful eye on that and bringing you more updates. 82 in Springfield, rain and cloud cool air. 79 only in Joplin. Nothing above the mid-80s for the next 7 days as our below normal stretch continues well into August.